We are at a critical moment in history.
Modern technologies and social demographic changes are causing disruption at every level of society, the economy, and the law.
The next generation of advocates and leaders will need new skills and experience to navigate these changes.
We are entering a new era.
For our students, graduates, faculty, and partners in the Penn Law community, this moment presents an incredible opportunity.
To position ourselves to attract and recruit the most promising and exciting students and faculty.
To advance our leadership, building the best legal academic program in the country.
And to prepare this generation of lawyers and leaders for the challenges of the next decade and beyond.
We are only as good as the good we bring to our community. So our first priority is access and opportunity.
We must continue to find and enroll the best and the brightest from every background, perspective,
and walk of life.
This means expanding financial aid resources, grants, and scholarships.
The law governs and facilitates every transaction on earth. And as long as the majority of lawyers keep coming from similar backgrounds, there will continue to be populations without access.
And for those of us who want to pursue careers in government and public interest, we need more ways to get there.
Like many of my fellow students, I came to law school with a significant amount of undergraduate debt. If it weren't for the financial aid provided by Penn Law, I might not be able to provide legal services to immigrant communities in a city where I grew up, at least not for a while.
The thing that attracted me most to Penn Law is just how deep the collaboration is with all of the other great schools on the Penn campus.
We're probably most known for our leadership in interdisciplinary programs, and in this area, we are doubling down.
You can't just be a lawyer anymore. You need to be able to look at problems as an entrepreneur,
a manager,
an engineer.
You need to have a depth of knowledge in the industries and issues you're working on. Not just where they are now, but even more importantly, where they're going. The law is only one part of that.
If there's one thing I've learned this early in my career, is that to our clients, we're more than legal counsel.
We're trusted advisors on all kinds of problems.
Beyond making sure our clients know what their risks and exposures are, we're so much more valuable when we can contribute to helping them achieve their business objectives. That's something that sets you apart. At Penn, I was able to gain that experience working in the legal clinics.
There really is no substitute for working on real problems with real clients.
When I was looking at how I would fulfill my pro bono requirement, I was amazed at how many different types of opportunities there were. I was able to tailor my experience to exactly the areas of law I wanted to work in.
My background is in computer science, and I know I want to practice in the tech sector, especially in still nascent areas like virtual reality and artificial intelligence. As part of the IP clinic, I've been able to get a start here with a really exciting client in the virtual reality space, working on life-saving technology.
One of the most interesting experiential learning opportunities for a few of us in the Black Law Students Association is the opportunity to travel to Ghana this year for a Pan-Africa service trip.
When I graduate, I'll be going into private practice, probably in the financial services or consulting sector. But as a veteran, I know that I always want to be involved on some level in advocating for veterans' issues.
Penn Law has been incredibly supportive on a number of initiatives we've undertaken for veterans. And I'm hopeful that someday we will even have an entire clinic devoted to veterans' legal assistance.
Another opportunity that comes with our interdisciplinary strength and involvement in the community is research through the work of our faculty and affiliated centers and institutes. We're really well positioned to expand this part of our mission and discover insights around the law and technology, business, criminal justice reform, and health.
Our industry is undergoing seismic change, and it's an exciting time.
It's time for Penn Law to prepare for this great challenge and opportunity.
Together, we can advance our leadership in legal education.
Together, we will prepare the next generation of advocates who will lead us to a more just and prosperous society.
We are Penn Law. We are advocates for a new era.